In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to zoom in and out here in Kittl. Now, there's a couple of different ways that we can actually do this. The first way is, if we take a look here, under our design, we've got this little zoom function. There's the plus icon, and the minus icon, and the center. If we click on the percentage, we can actually change this here as well to whatever we want. Let's go with 90. Or if we use the little plus and minus icons, we can zoom in and out. Now that's one way that we can zoom here in Kittl. Another way is by using shortcuts. Now if you want to know more about the shortcuts, all we have to do is look over here in the left hand bottom corner where it says shortcuts. If we click on there, we're going to get all of these different shortcuts that we can use. But if we take a look just here, we can see that the plus icon and the minus icon will help us zoom out. So now, if I touch plus here on my keyboard, we're going to zoom in, and if I click on the minus, we are going to zoom out. So that's just how simple it is to zoom in and out here in Kittl. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.